as I sit here on this log, waiting for something to take my fly like it did last night. It was hot and heavy here last night. I noticed this water and the sound of it and the flowing of it. It's really very serene. I'll just be quiet for a moment and let you collect the noise or the sound. Little note here, I'm sitting on this log and it's covered with black ants and trying to get used to them walking over the top of me. They don't bite me, they're just kind of crawling everywhere. And I don't like it. I'll give this another, well, that sun's getting ready to dip behind that mountain, and when it does, maybe it'll change a little bit. Hopefully for the better. I caught one out of this hole. Okay. Over and out.